Okay, we've gone walkabout at Ortona South. Here's a lovely campsite. As you can see, it fits a 40-foot Monaco easily. Fire pit, barbecue grill. Which way we go?
Where you want to go?
Let's do a countdown. This is how they put it together. Campground. Let's do a countdown. What side are we?
51.
Okay. 51. And all's well. Clear view of satellite dish to the south. 31. How'd we go from 51 to 31?
Because that is 32 there.
Okay. We were almost pointing at the tree. I'd say any one of these would be good for satellite. All of them. Plus there's good reception anyway for plain old antenna.
Listen to them birds.
50's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Just like 51. All of them are good.
This is a good one here.
They're all good, yeah, that's right.
But it's got a big old tree right there, but that don't matter.
Yeah, the one, though, if you look at this one, we couldn't take that one because the tree's right behind the concrete.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Depends on how far you gotta go back.
This would be a good one here, 35.
It's got a dog kennel or something by it.
Water or power or something. These are good here too.
These look kind of short, but you could back up.
Close to the shower house.
You know, these won't fit a...
This one's handicapped, so you gotta skip that one. Unless you're handicapped. This is a big long one. 36.
There's moo cows over there.
Yep. 37 is pretty long. The truck and trailer.
Yeah, big old Cougar, half-ton fifth wheel.
I'll be afraid to no satellite on that one. This one's fine though.
This shower house is here.
38's awesome. Birds chirping.
Sorry, dude. Did I bother you?
Look, they got their own little sewer gizmo, hun. That's pretty cool. You gotta pull your camper up. Hello.
Hi. I like your bike.
Thank you.
That's a nice trailer there.
There's a big old redwood. It's a pretty fifth wheel.
Okay. And here's the pull-throughs. And we're pretty glad we didn't have 40.
Well, we
although
couldn't.
It might work.
Nah.
I mean, I wouldn't be scared of it.
Oh, it's a nice one.
You have to get the nose up. Yeah, I'd like 40. Okay, down at the end, these are all good. This is where we were gonna go. But see how it's downhill, I was telling you?
Yeah, it ain't that bad.
Yeah. 41 would be okay. Because you come in this way, hun. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta turn around.
No, I'm going to walk the whole thing.
Oh, you okay? You go around the long way and I'll take the shortcut. Look, they got a smart box for plugging in.
What's that supposed to mean?
Say hi to the birds on the way by.
One
Look
just...
to your right, there's a possum behind a rabbit.
I see him.
Don't scare him. Okay, keep it rolling. You're scaring him.
There was a bird on the fence, 2 rabbits, and a possum.
He's playing possum.
Oh my God. I gotta walk faster. I guess I'm taking too much time.
And I gotta tell you something. Stop, because I gotta tell you. I'll tell the camera. See this bridge right there? The dude drove his golf cart right over it.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. How's your walkabout going?
Good.
Did you see the possum?
I saw a bird, 2 rabbits, and a possum. They were having a meeting.
Yes, they were. I bet the otter could have talked some sense into him. See the little box I'm telling you about then? That's a little power box. Make sure your voltage is right all the time.
Yeah.
That's why it's chained up. This is a good site here too. Freaking mile long. 44. I'd be up for that for sure. You know it?
Yep.
I couldn't believe I seen that possum wandering. Oh, there's the
What are you doing?
dump station. And did you get the dump station in your walkabout?
I didn't go over there.
Okay, that's a dump station.
I was getting the bird.
Okay. They do make a bit of racket, don't they?
We saw a big otter earlier that had caught a fish. He was carrying it in his mouth.
Mm-hmm. There's the shower house. Want me to go check it out?
Well, it's entirely up to you.
I think I'll just head back to the ranch. I could check it out though.
You're going to
It's nice. Make any amount. It's nice.
you're going to the women's.
I would have noticed anyway because I was looking at the sign. Oh yeah.
I sure you would.
Great big. Great big. Okay. This is a good site here. Oh, that's the handicap one. See how they got all concrete for the
Mm-hmm. No gravel.
real nice. So this is only half the campground. But
Right, the other half is
the
closed.
bigger half is closed. I guess it's bigger.
He said there was 30 some sites in that one, I guess. I don't know. I think that's what he said.
Oh, that's why it starts at 30 then.
Probably, yeah.
50. Yeah, 30 over there, 20 over here.
Yeah, see, some of
Thereabouts.
these wouldn't fit our trailer and our car.
No.
Look at that.
Look at that bird standing there.
He just flew there.
Plenty of doves around. $50. See, 50's no good for us. Well, it would work. But as you pointed out, no place to park.
Right. Because we're already hanging
I
off
know we barely got enough room to park
this
there.
one.
Okay. Ortona South Campground. See you later. We will do biking tomorrow.